Florida. God, don't you all just go home? Where are you going? Where are you coming from?
Race bike breakdown today.
Driving out the Moto Sandbox to break in the race bike because press got canceled at the stadium. So, yeah, 45-minute drive out to the Moto Sandbox. Ride the bike for a little bit. I'm excited.
We're back.
Let's go! West Coast 250.
West Coast on the East Coast.
West Coast in Orlando. Chicken cow wow.
Brown chicken, brown cow.
Brown chicken, brown cow.
Nice fanny pack, bro.
How are you, Miles?
I'm good. Nice camera.
It could potentially be raining by actually 11. Perfect.
Look at this custom gas tank, dude. Air filter.
I like your fanny pack.
Now I'll have to show a clip of the fanny pack. It's a pretty cool fanny pack, to be honest.
It is. Pretty dope.
It's not a troll training one, though.
It's the only way to get my ring off. Lick it. Lick it. Lick it good.
What do you think of the race bike?
It was pretty sick. Miles has got her dial. Black rims, too. This will be the first time I've ever rode a Yamaha with black rims.
Alright, what's your preference, black or blue?
Now that I see it, I like black better. I like black. The only way blue rims would be good is if the plastic was mainly like black or something, black or gray. But otherwise, it's like too much blue.
New braces.
Oh, you haven't seen these yet?
Looks more like a monkey.
I know. Like a little monkey.
New helmet day.
What do you think, bro?
For everyone asking, why is the Geico rig here?
Here to burn.
Here to what?
I don't really know.
You don't know?
I don't know. But I'm gonna take it home and sleep in it.
Sleep in it?
It's my new home.
Okay.
That fly's broken.
Well, it rained about 3 inches in a half hour.
Good way to break in the race bike.
So now we're going to corner track right here to break in the race bike. Dude, that's not annoying. Put on your seatbelt.
You don't have yours on either.
I literally am like, I feel like I'm going 5 to 10 miles an hour and I'm like riding with concrete 2x4 suspension.
Concrete.
It's honestly kind of a waste of time.
But at least
But
the bike.
it doesn't seem like it runs clean though.
I took a video to show Jim.
Yeah, can you hear it?
It's just like whenever you're like, it's like a little bit of
You want to play with the thingy at all? Or?
a. Let me call Jim. Actually.
Can you help me pick my picture?
Oh, I thought you were just kidding. Dude. No go?
We're not making a vlog out of this. It's still a little shitty on top.
It has this like little sound, like when you hit this corner, when you're like, brah, 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 it goes, it kind of cuts out, not cuts out. But.
I notice it more like the end of the straightaway. When I'm really on it, it's like, it's kind of like cutting in and out, but it's way better on bottom.
With it leaner.
For that change, yeah. Dude, it's unbelievable how stiff the suspension is on a corner track. Like, I don't even feel like I'm using more than an inch of the stroke.
It looks painful.
Done?
Oh, she's nice and dirty.
Done for the day?
Yep. Well, not really. But we still have a lot of stuff to do.
No, we don't.
You gotta get your COVID test. Gotta get you a pass. You gotta go do the interviews. We're gonna do a beach shop. Gotta get my nitrates.
Now show me your teeth.
Alright, well, we don't have much time.
Can I go eat?
No. Thanks, Miles.
We'll see you there.
Yep, that's actually pretty productive, just for the
Yeah.
ignition stuff.
And you got to ride the brakes and stuff.